Let's turn to Nvidia now, which is reportedly planning to release a downgraded version of its H20 chip to avoid new export restrictions. This chip was specifically designed already to skirt chip curbs to China, but Nvidia is making plans around a White House that has sent some mixed signals about the best strategy for AI. Deirdre Bosa has more in today's Tech Check. Deirdre?
Mixed signals and getting even cloudier. But basically, this is Nvidia taking advantage of the lag between policy and enforcement. The H20, after all, which Kelly mentioned, it slipped through for over a year before Washington finally closed that loophole. And that gave Nvidia enough time to clear some $18 billion worth in orders and prep a plan B. Now, as we await more details on what is going to replace the so-called AI diffusion rule, voices that are close to the president, like AI star David Sachs, starting to flip. He's now blaming U.S. red tape, not Chinese competition, for America falling behind. In a post this morning, Sachs argued that we should be encouraging the world to build on our tech stack. But that strategy runs straight into the strategy that Washington has been leaning into the last few years, an opposite one of export bans, tariffs, licensing rules, all designed to slow China's access by containing access to U.S. technology. So there's diffusion on one hand and containment on the other. Kelly, if Sachs is coming around to this idea of diffusion, it could be an inflection point for investors, potentially even signaling a shift towards fewer restrictions, which would be bullish for the AI trade at large, which has struggled this year. Then again, Kelly, chips now being used as leverage, as a negotiating tool. So we don't know what's going to replace it. If it's a country by country rule, which some people had feared, that could be increasingly bearish. But you are seeing this sort of change in tone to U.S. needs to lead the way, needs to be accessible.